Yeah.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yes,
So
sir.
I am audible and my screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday's lecture, we were discussing about models of organizational behavior. There we had discussed the meaning of models, or how or why the models are introduced. So yesterday's homework was that all the 5 models which are included in your first semester syllabus of organizational behavior, you will come prepared on that, and we will have a thorough discussion on the meaning of various models, those 5 models, as well as we will be discussing that which is considered as the best model. So you have to give the justification of also that if one student is saying that yes, autocratic model is considered or can be considered as the best possible model in present day organization, so that student has to give the justification also that why he or she feel that autocratic model of organizational behavior can be considered as the best possible method. Yes, so without wasting much time, we will immediately start with the discussions. Any one of you, boys or girls, anyone can take a lead and we can start the discussions. You just have to give your name, that I'm so and so, and I have read about a particular model, whatever model you have read, autocratic, democratic, supportive, collegial, SOBC, whatever you have read, you have to start with it. Yes.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. Go ahead, beta.
Myself, Suvarna.
Yes.
I have read about the autocratic model.
Okay. Yes. What do you mean by
Can I?
model? Yeah. Please go ahead so others can also understand. Those who had missed yesterday's lecture, they can understand what is autocratic model. Please go ahead.
Okay. The autocratic model is a model in which power and the formal authority strength is located with the topmost managers or the leaders. The decision-making power is in the hands of the top authorities, and the low-level employees are not participated in the decision-making.
Okay. Very good. Correct. It is correct. Yes. Anything else you would like to share?
Yes, I think autocratic model is not so much uh, in company used in companies. Mostly SOBC model is preferred in most of the companies nowadays. I think so.
Okay. Why you feel that SOBC is better than autocratic?
Because in this model, uh, the foundation of the company culture and team environment in which it consists of the policies, management, and the communication with all of the employees. And it explores the area of integrating employee skills into
Now you are talking
facilitating
about
the
SOBC model, right?
Yes.
Huh.
I think SOBC is more preferable than the autocratic model.
Okay. Very good. Yes. Anything you would like to add?
So,
Okay. Yes. Next. Next student. So autocratic model is over. Some part of SOBC is also covered. Yes. Next one. Next model. Yes, please start with the next model.
model also? Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Suvarna here again. Regarding custodial model, in this model, the
Suvarna,
approach
na?
is focused on improving. Yes, yes.
Just a moment, Suvarna. Let's give others also a chance.
Okay.
Yes, if no one is contributing, then you are most welcome. Yes, others, please go ahead. Others, please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Anurag here. Wonderful
Okay,
evening.
Anurag, yes.
Sir, I have read supportive model.
Very good. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I would like to add some points. Like supportive model, it's like everyone, every student or every employee has their own leadership qualities. Like, but the time is like if they get some kind of chances, some kind of opportunities to show that leadership. So this we can say supportive model can give them a valid opportunities to show their strengths, to show their here is a job performance is also included, and the support, the managerial orientation is that support is given, so that
Okay.
so that the employee can extract as much as from that work. So
Okay.
I prefer supportive model. And second I have read is like what is collegial model. Hello.
Just a moment, Anurag.
Mhm.
Okay. You feel that supportive is best, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Because it gives opportunity to all the employees to excel,
Huh.
right?
Not only to just order them like just मुझे ये चाहिए मुझे वो चाहिए, just there is some kind of supportive kind of nature the
Okay.
employees or the senior one has.
Rama.
Okay, very good. Yes, next one. Next student. Yes, next student.
The
Now-
custodial model.
काय म्हणत होती? हा कोणता? मी करतो.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yes.
Sir,
Next
I was
one,
saying
please.
custodial model will be a good one because custodial model is something like it makes employee feel good.
What's your name? Start with your
My name is Srirag.
Okay, Srirag. Yes.
Employee feels in a good environment. It means like our boss is like a caring boss, like they will help you in every situation. So I think custodial model will be a good one in the business.
What happens in custodial model?
Our boss is a caring boss, not caring, helps in every situation. Like what happens in some businesses, boss will just give us order and we have to work on our business, like whatever they have. Then if we have any challenges facing, then our boss will be helpful. Like if we need any leave, we can directly talk with our boss, not rather than talking with our manager or someone else. A free environment in the business.
You're talking about suppose a employee is working as executive. He has recently joined the organization. Now he will be reporting to a junior manager. Junior manager will be reporting to manager. Manager will be reporting to senior manager. Senior manager will be reporting to general manager, and general manager will be reporting to managing director. Now, does it mean that a person who has just joined as an executive, if he wants leave and if his manager is not sanctioning, he is having direct access to the MD that my immediate boss is not sanctioning my leave, so you please sanction my leave? Is it so? Have you understood, Srirag?
Yeah, yes, sir.
हाँ. Is it so in custodial? 4 लेयर हैं या 5 लेयर हैं बॉसेस
हाँ
के.
हाँ
आपने अभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ज्वाइन किया है, आपको छुट्टी चाहिए, आप किसके पास जाएंगे? इमीडिएट बॉस के पास जाएंगे या 6 लेयर चढ़ के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर्स के पास जाएंगे, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर के पास जाएंगे?
सब पहले तो हम फर्स्ट लेयर करेंगे ना.
हाँ हाँ. एंड इफ फर्स्ट लेयर has rejected your application, no, tomorrow you have to come because some urgent work is pending, then what will be your action?
लाइक इफ सर अगर कल कोई इम्पोर्टेंट है या कल कोई इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है तो वो कोई भी लेयर हम लोग किसी से भी पूछो तो वो वही यही बताएंगे ना
बराबर
कि कल इम्पोर्टेंट है तो कल आना ही पड़ेगा ना. अगर
हाँ,
जब तक
हाँ.
हमारा रीजन बहुत ज्यादा जेन्युइन या इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है वो ये लीव सैंक्शन ही नहीं करेगे ना.
हाँ नहीं, you
ये
were saying that
सर ये
a
है
employee
कि
can directly have access to the boss.
हाँ
Boss
सर
means top boss.
टॉप इफ अगर
हाँ.
बॉस हमारे साथ अगर अच्छे से मतलब
बिहेव
देखो
नहीं कर रहा है.
अगर बॉस के साथ अच्छा कांटेक्ट इन द सेंस कि अच्छा रिलेशन बन चुका है तो हम डायरेक्ट बॉस से भी बात कर सकते हैं ना सर. अगर अगर बॉस ऐसा रहा कि एक दिन आएगा कंपनी में हमसे एक दो वर्ड्स बोल के चला जाएगा तो बॉस के साथ वैसे कनेक्शन नहीं बनेगा ना सर.
ओके.
तो अगर अच्छा रिलेशन है तो हम डायरेक्ट बॉस से भी बात कर सकते हैं,
ओके.
मैनेजर से बात कर सकते हैं एज अ.
ओके.
अगर रिलेशन और बॉन्डिंग अच्छा रहा
हाँ हाँ.
तो अगर
That
बॉन्डिंग ही अच्छा
happens
नहीं
in
है हमें यही
custodial.
नहीं पता, हमें सिर्फ
You are
इतना
saying
पता है कि
that
बॉस
happens in
ये है.
custodial.
हाँ सर, अगर हमें
Right
सिर्फ
ना?
इतना पता है कि बॉस ये है ये
हाँ.
हमारा बॉस है, कंपनी इनका है, इनके साथ
हाँ.
हमारा कोई रिलेशन ही नहीं है तो हम फॉर्मल बातें कर सकते हैं. लाइक हाँ
हाँ.
अगर कुछ भी बिजनेस वाला एक फॉर्मल मतलब हम
हाँ.
फॉर्मल बातें हो सकती है. अगर अच्छा खासा रिलेशन बन चुका है तो हम
हाँ.
फॉर्मल के साथ थोड़ा इनफॉर्मल तरीके से भी बात करके कर सकते हैं ना सर.
Okay.
तो
that is why you are talking about कि custodial is the best model.
बेस्ट. हाँ और एम्प्लॉय काम करने में भी थोड़ा ये हो जाएगा कि कंफर्टेबल हो जाएगा कि हाँ सब अगर हमें कोई मदद नहीं मिल रहा है हम किसी अगर हमारा मैनेजर या कोई बिजी है तो हम डायरेक्ट बॉस से भी बात कर सकते हैं कि कोई ना कोई होगा मदद करने के लिए. अगर मैनेजर के साथ कोई कांटेक्ट ही नहीं है तो हम मतलब सॉरी बॉस के साथ कोई कांटेक्ट ही नहीं है, हमारे पास एक ही ऑप्शन है जो है हमारा मैनेजर, क्योंकि उनके साथ तो हमें कांटेक्ट बनाना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो हमारा मैनेजर है.
करेक्ट.
तो थोड़ा प्रेशराइज हो जाएगा ना एम्प्लॉय.
Okay. Okay. So according to you, custodial is best.
Yeah.
Huh?
So employee can give their 100% to.
Got it. Got it. Anyone who feel that custodial instead of custodial supportive is good, or SOBC is good, or any other is good. It's an open discussion. Please contribute. We are not going to say deduct your marks if the question, if the answer is not say correct. We are not going to deduct your internal marks, but definitely if you are contributing more in the discussion, you will be having more internal marks. और कोई 3 मॉडल्स हो गए, ऑटोक्रेटिक, सपोर्टिव एंड कस्टोडियल, 3 हो गए. Yes, fourth one. I think collegial is remaining and some part of SOBC we have discussed. Yes, please fast. Do it fast. Anyone? Okay, anyone who has read collegial model? Yes, anyone who has read collegial model, please. Am I audible?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Shraddha Khatawkar here.
Yes. Yes, Shraddha.
Collegial model.
Huh?
Collegial model is based around teamwork. Collegial
Okay.
refers to highly cooperative set of people working together by dividing the labor among themselves for the sake of
Okay.
efficient working to achieve organizational goals.
Okay. Yes, it is correct. So what do you
Yeah.
feel? Whether collegial is the best model, or supportive is best, or custodial is best, or autocratic is best? Which one is best?
I think supportive model is best because
Because
uh, supportive model means it seeks to understand what motivates employees and focuses
okay,
on those things to motivate and inspire employees
okay,
and
okay.
given opportunities to improve themselves. They
That
often
is
take personal
huh?
they often take personal initiative to perform better at their job. That's why I think supportive model is best in my
Okay.
point of view.
Huh. Yes. Anyone else?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, now can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
On the screen, a table is there,
Yes, sir.
right? Autocratic, custodial, supportive, and collegial is written. Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So there are number of researches carried out to find out which can be the best possible model of organizational behavior which can be implemented in an organization to motivate the employees or to make them perform better. Number of researches have been conducted, and on the basis of conclusion of those researches, this table has been framed, where it is mentioned that the basis of power in autocratic model, basis of the model autocratic is based on power. Managerial orientation is authority. Employee psychological result is dependence on boss. Employee orientation is obedience. Employee needs meet is subsistence. Performance result is minimum. So as you have only explained the meaning of autocratic, that was absolutely correct, that it is based on authority, it is based on power. Might, it is right. The principle applied here is might is right. जो मैं करूंगा वो ही सही है, जो मैंने बोला वो आपको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. This is the attitude of manager in autocratic model. Nowadays, earlier it was practiced, but nowadays very few organizations are practicing this particular type of model. The reason is performance is minimum in autocratic model, the performance of employees. Only in some situations, still autocratic model is regarded as one of the best model. And can anyone tell me in which situation we can implement autocratic model in an organization? still we can implement this particular model, but in a particular situation, not in all the situations. Can anybody tell me that in which situation still today also autocratic model can be successful? यस, ऐसी कौन सी सिचुएशन कंपनी में अगर है तो हम आज भी अगर ऑटोक्रेटिक मॉडल यूज करते हैं तो कंपनी को फायदा हो सकता है? रेस्ट अभी तक तो हमने जितने भी रिसर्च के रिजल्ट्स देखे हैं उससे ऐसा ही लगता है कि ये आउटडेटेड सिस्टम है जो अभी यूज में बहुत कम है। नहीं है ऐसा नहीं है, पर बहुत कम है। यस, कौन सी ऐसी सिचुएशन? यस
sir, I would like to add one point here. Like you have said na ki this situation or this kind of model is rarely being used. Okay.
yes,
But what I think in some companies, the decision or the result, it depends on boss. Like whatever the boss will tell you, you are going to perform that situation. You are going to perform that activity. That means
yes,
you are indirectly relying on your boss. Like he has analyzed, or he has what we can say, like analyze everything, and he is telling us or she is telling us like just do this, not by this way, just to by this way, just to take some make profits. So sometimes autocratic is best. Sometimes like
sometimes
from 100, like minimum companies are maybe following this type of management or this type of model.
Minimum we can say that very few companies are following this. In a particular situation, if implemented, it can be profitable for the company. We are not saying that in extreme situation also it will be successful, but it can be successful. It can be successful. And that extreme situation is when the organization is into deep trouble, when the organization is continuously facing loss and there is no other option but to close down the organization. At that particular point of time, if the authority is given in a competent manager's hand, and if he uses ultimate authority to try to revive the fortunes of the company, there may be success for the company. Only in that situation it can work nowadays. Otherwise, rest, no, it doesn't work nowadays. And the best examples, anyone who has heard about the history of Singapore, how Singapore became one of the developed country. सिंगापुर की हिस्ट्री किसी को पता है? 30 or 40 years back, what was Singapore and what it is now? That was result of autocratic rule. If you have read about the history of Adolf Hitler, we now, so far, what we have heard about Hitler is that he was mass murderer. He was the person who ordered killing of lakhs and lakhs of Jews. He was the person who started the World War II. So all the negative side of Hitler we have heard, but there were some positive side also. And the positive side was that he was, yes, he was an autocratic dictator who wanted all the power in his hand. But if you check the history of Germany, in 1930s, the economy of Germany was total collapsed. Everything had collapsed in Germany. And at that particular point of time, Hitler took the authority in his hand, and he made from that point Germany into a developed country, a very powerful country. In late 1930s, just in a period of around 5 to 10 years, he completely changed the face of Germany. From a country whose economy had totally collapsed to a country which was again developing very fast. That was done by Adolf Hitler. He was the first person who had planned and who had started constructing highways underground. 8-lane highways were planned by Adolf Hitler, and that too underground highways, where all the traffic can be diverted. In case what he had predicted, that after 10 years, after 20 years, if Germany became the most powerful country of the world, most developed country of the world, and if roads are not enough for the vehicles to move, then he had started constructing the underground 8-lane highways also. There are evidences now also. So these are some of the examples where we can see that in extreme cases, if the authority is in the correct hands, then the entire fortune of the company can also be changed, but that is rare. That is rare. So nowadays we will say that this particular model doesn't work. In extreme cases, so we will not include those extreme cases, but just we should be knowing that still this particular model can be used in extreme cases. Now the next model which we will be discussing is custodial. Now Sriraj said that this model can be called as the best possible model. Yes, this model was considered as the best possible model 70-80 years back. So in 1940s or 1950s, this particular model, that is custodial model, was considered as the best model. The employers were given suggestion by the psychologists at that particular time in 40s and 50s that if you start taking care of the employee, then employee will start delivering performance. That was in 50s or in 40s. Some days the results were better. People started loving this particular model, and employers also came to know that if they start taking care of their employee, their performance will definitely increase. And for some period of time, that performance increased also. But over a period of time, that performance again started coming down. Then the psychologist again did the research and to find out if the employer is taking care of his employees, if the employer is providing everything to the employee, and if the employee at start is doing good for the organization, performing good for the organization, what happens after 6 months, after 1 year, or after 2 years, why that particular employee, his performance or her performance starts declining. So to find out that reason, various research were conducted, and it was concluded that main reason for the decline in performance was too much care, too much pampering of the employee. We have seen that parents, if pamper their child too much, then child gets spoiled. So too much of pampering, too much of care will not result in good result in the long run. For shorter term, it may, but for longer term, it doesn't. So what was the demerit of this particular model was that job security was given to the employee, too much job security, that once you are in the organization, we are not going to remove you. Why this was given? Because the employer want to show the employees that he is taking care of them. And that was the reason he offered them 100% job security. Now, the best example for custodial model's failure is the government employees working in India. Now, why government employee, they are not performing when their counterparts in private companies are performing? Now, you all have bank accounts, right? Some of you might be having bank accounts in private banks. Some of you might be having the bank accounts in nationalized banks. Nationalized means government banks. You would have noticed the speed of work in nationalized bank and in private banks also. If you go to HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, or Axis Bank, or any other private bank, just go and observe their behavior, observe their speed of work. Visit a nationalized bank and observe their behavior and speed of work. You will come to know the reason for failure of custodial model. Too much of caring is the reason. Now, everyone is aware of that if you join the government organization, you become permanent employee and you will not be removed from your position. In very difficult situation, very rare situation, a person who is working in the government organization is removed from his position. At the max, what is done? The person is transferred from one, is not removed from the position. And when too much job security is given to employee, then automatically the of the employee starts coming down. By custodial model failed. Now we will move on to supportive model. Now, supportive model, the basis of the model is leadership, and it depends upon support. Support is employees in the organization, and here the performance of the employee is considered as better than the autocratic model. Why? Because here the manager believes in the employee. Here the manager is taking decision, but he is taking the suggestions of the subordinates also So decision is taken, decision is not imposed. Yes, in supportive also the decision is taken by the manager, but before taking the decision, manager takes the subordinates into confidence that we want to increase the speed of work. For any suggestions, please give those suggestions to me. And subordinates are supposed to give the suggestions to go through with all the suggestions, and whichever suggestion he feel that yes, this could be implemented and this will result in good for the organization, that can be implemented. So that support which is given by the manager to the employees results in better performance of the employee, because employees start feeling that the decision is taken unanimously. It is not imposed on us by one person, but we as a team, we are suggesting something to the manager. Manager is weighing all the options and then he is concluding upon one decision. So supportive is considered as one of the best model by most of the psychologists. Now we will move on to collegial model. Now when we talk about collegial models, now here this particular model is also resulting in better performance. In collegial model, what happens is that employees are given more authority by the management or by the manager. Manager can give them a target, that this is a target set for our team. Now I leave it to the team to decide how they are going to achieve the target. What manager is sharing? He is just sharing the target. He is not sharing the strategy to achieve that target. He is giving complete authority to the team that you decide your strategy, but at the end of the day, this particular target is to 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, but this is to be met. So here, authority is largely given to the employees at the lower level. Now here, why very few companies or very less companies are implementing this collegial model? The reason is that for implementation of collegial model, the employees should be in possession of high skills, high knowledge, high, then only this can be implemented. Now suppose a company is into manufacturing of softwares, सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम्स डेवलप करती है एक कंपनी. अब सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम्स कौन डेवलप करेगा? वो ज्यादातर प्रोग्रामर्स रहेंगे. प्रोग्रामर्स मींस who are well versed with their job. They are having knowledge, skills, abilities to complete their job. That is why they have been recruited as programmer in a software company. Now, when these highly skilled employees are working in those company only, this collegial model can be implemented. So that is why, even being one of the best model, this is not implemented in most of the organization. In most of the organization, what is implemented is supportive model. The reason behind is that it needs highly skilled, highly able, highly knowledgeable people to work in an organization. Then only the organization is a position to implement this particular model. Now, next one, which we are going to discuss, is SOBC model. SOBC, S is stimulus or situation, O stands for organism, B is behavior, and C is consequence. Now here, the basis of the model is facilitator, managerial orientation is empathy, employee orientation is belongingness, employee psychological results is ownership, employee needs met is higher order needs are met, and performance result is passion and commitment. One of the best result oriented model is SOBC model. As it's a new model, and if this model is to be implemented in an organization, first the manager should know what is SOBC models. The manager will be in a position to implement this particular model in the organization effectively. So far, we can say that if we talk about the results which can be delivered, that which is the model which can deliver the best result. So far, we can say that SOBC can be the model which can deliver the best result. But why, instead of SOBC, why still supportive is regarded as the best model? And the reason is very simple. And the reason is because many of the managers who are working in organization, they lack the understanding of SOBC model, because it talks about facilitator, being facilitator. It talks about empathy. First, I as a manager should know the meaning of empathy. Earlier, everyone talked about sympathy, but now everyone is talking about empathy. Can anyone give me the meaning of empathy? What is empathy? Sympathy, we all know. Sympathy और सहानुभूति. मुझे उसकी जो भी सिचुएशन है वो देख के उससे सहानुभूति हुई या उस पर दया आ गई. That is sympathy. That is different. Gone are the days of sympathy now. Now, if you are working as a manager, you should know this term which is called as empathy. You should know what is the meaning of facilitator, because after 2 years, after 3 years, after 5 years, after 10 years, when you will be working as a manager or senior manager in an organization, that time these terms will definitely going to benefit. Yes, empathy. What is the meaning of empathy? किसी के ऊपर दया करना. Yes.
Shraddha Khatkar here.
Yes,
Empathy
Shraddha.
means the ability to understand and share the feeling of another person.
Very good. Very good. Now, one of your employee is in some problem. Sympathy means and he has lost one leg because of that accident. Sympathy is that you are very sympathetic. आपको उसके ऊपर तरस आया, आप मैनेजर हैं उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, आपको उसके ऊपर तरस आया, आपने क्या किया, 1 लाख 2 लाख जो भी कंपनी की तरफ से फंड था, डिसेबलमेंट फंड, वो रिलीज फटाफट कर दिया उसके लिए. ये सिंपैथी है. एम्पैथी मींस when you are trying to put yourself in that particular situation to understand the feeling of the person who has met with an accident, to understand the responsibility that person was having and how he is going to handle those responsibility after the accident. When you try to be in that situation कि अगर मैं उसकी जगह होता, मेरे ऊपर इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती, तो मैं क्या करता, कैसे हैंडल करता, जब तक आप अपने आप को उस व्यक्ति की जगह रखकर उस व्यक्ति की तरह सोचते नहीं, तब तक आप एम्पैथेटिक नहीं हो सकते। दूसरे के ऊपर तरस करना, दूसरे के ऊपर दया दिखाना इज वेरी सिंपल, बट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बी in the shoes of that particular person, to understand what that person might have suffered, not only physically but mentally. फिजिकल हमारे को दिखाई देता है, एक टांग टूट गई उसकी दिख रहा है, पर उस एक टांग की वजह से उसको कितना स्ट्रेस आया होगा, उसके ऊपर जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज थी वो क्या सोच रहा होगा, उसको कितना मेंटल प्रेशर रहेगा कि मेरी फैमिली का आगे कैसे होगा, मेरे बच्चे जो स्कूल में हैं उनका कैसे होगा, उनकी फीस कैसे मैं पे कर पाऊंगा, जो उसके पेरेंट्स रहेंगे अगर उनका कुछ मेडिसिन का खर्चा है मैं वो कैसे कर पाऊंगा। एक उसका पैर चला गया, हमें सिर्फ उसका क्या दिख रहा है, फिजिकल जो प्रॉब्लम हुआ उसको वो दिख रहा है, अंदर हमें नहीं पता चल रहा है उसके क्या चल रहा है। तो जब आप उस सिचुएशन में उस व्यक्ति के तरह घुस के सोचने की कोशिश करेंगे, देन यू विल फील दैट यू आर एम्पैथेटिक। और अगर you have developed that feeling of empathy towards your employees, automatically employee will start feeling belongingness to the company. अगर मेरा मैनेजर इतना मेरे बारे में सोच रहा है तो मैं क्या करूंगा, ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मेरी है, I will see to it that I will make this organization more and more and more profitable, because the employee's psychological result is ownership. वहां पर वो एम्प्लॉई एज एम्प्लॉई काम नहीं कर रहा है। अगर मेरा पैसा रहेगा, अगर मेरे पास, सपोज मैं मेरी बाइक अगर यूज कर रहा हूं तो मैं ध्यान से करूंगा, पर मैं किसी और की बाइक उधार लेकर आता हूं 4 दिन के लिए तो शायद मैं उतने ध्यान से नहीं करूंगा। वैसा ही अगर मेरा हार्ड अर्न्ड मनी है तो मैं बहुत देख देख के इन्वेस्ट करूंगा, पर किसी और का पैसा है तो शायद मैं उतना सोच के इन्वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा। सेम इज द सिनेरियो विद एम्प्लॉइज हियर आल्सो, कि अगर कंपनी मेरे बारे में इतना कर रही है तो ये कंपनी मेरी है। सिर्फ यहां पर ये नहीं है कि 8 घंटे का मैंने काम किया, मेरा काम हो गया, मैं घर चला, ऐसा नहीं। एटीट्यूड हियर विल चेंज टू ओनरशिप। Now I own this company. I'll see to it that work is completed in time. I'll see to it that all the customers are happy. I'll see to it that this organization is profitable in the long run. But only thing is, because of lack of knowledge of this particular model among the managers itself is the reason why, instead of being implemented in many of the organizations. So now I think we have surpassed our time also, so we will stop here. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
thank you.
Yes,
So
sir.
we will stop here, and tomorrow we will start with evolution of management thought. Then we will talk about the 5 basic principles of management also. So please come prepared for 5 basic principles of management and the evolution of management thought. You can study the goals of OB also. So we will try to discuss, right? So in today's lecture, only 4 students had participated in the discussion. Tomorrow onwards, I want more students to participate in the discussion. The more you participate, the more you understand, the more you will gain knowledge. Please be sure for that. Yes, so other student, so other teacher might be waiting for the next lecture. So we will end immediately our lecture. Thank you all for attending today's lecture. We will meet tomorrow at the scheduled time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.